Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. And Bailey, he's leaving. But we're here today. Got a special guest visitor all the way from the potato country in Idaho.
Not Iowa, Idaho.
That's right. A little further away than Iowa. That's where the John Deeres are. He's where the potatoes are. So
Yep.
they make good French fries. This is Jeff Anderson, Anderson's Excavating, more commonly known on YouTube as Jpaydirt.
Yep.
So
I'm going to make Brian make me a shaft. He's going to give me the shaft.
he's come down for the Mid-America Trucking Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and which is not too far from me. And I saw he was in town, and I said, "Hey, you want to come see the shop?" So we talked about he's got a little problem with his D9 cat that I'm gonna help him out on getting fixed. And I said, "Well, I'll just run down to Louisville and pick you up, and you can come out here and see the shop." So what do you think?
It's awesome. You've done a lot of work here.
So, yeah, if you've been a long-time subscriber to the channel, you probably realize that a lot of work has been done here. And if not, you should go back and look at the old videos and find out, because there's been a lot of work done here. So, I better get him back to his he's staying at the Ritz down there in Louisville in the fancy part of town. It was the only thing left, he tells me. It was an emergency trip to come in for the truck show. He's in with Bruce Mallison, Pittsburgh Power. They're down there playing with Cummins and Caterpillar motors, selling high-performance goodies. So if you want to check those guys out, you can
come down
too.
And see us.
So no new news here since yesterday. We're just watching paint dry, but just wanted to catch you with a quick update and tell you who was here. And I said you can go check out his channel. He's got an old Kenworth like mine. His looks a lot better, but mine runs.
Well, not anymore.
So,
mine's in pieces.
so yeah, he took his apart. Mine runs, so I got the upper hand.
Yeah, you're way ahead.
So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll catch y'all later.
See ya.